How long do all of my tasks take me throughout the day? Let's literally walk through the whole thing. I use Asana for all of my tasks. You can see Monday has a long list, and this is what my calendar looks like for the day. So it's a busy day. He's had diarrhea, so he had to go to the vet. So I didn't get started until 10:28 this morning. I had 2 interviews, basically from 10:30 to 11:30, and then I got to get started on my Instagram post for the day. Finished that around 12:06, and it was time to work on the podcast. So I pulled the video, sent it to my producer to actually go ahead and edit, and then I got all of the newsletter and all of that stuff ready, and then actually recorded the news for the podcast. Finished around 12:40, so we could check that off the list. Kenjo is my editor. Now it's time to answer social sweet DMs and eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because I am 5 years old apparently. And then after that, I had one more interview, and then at 1:30, I had a 30-minute coaching call with one of my members, and so we did that. We made a lot of progress, and then by 2:06, I was ready to go grab some lunch and meet my husband at his job. And then it was time to start a new month goal thread. This is something I do every month for my students so that they can have some accountability for their goals for the month. It was also super fun because Muggsy had diarrhea on his face somehow. I had to pause to clean that up. And then I worked furiously on emails for a little while for a huge thing that me and a couple of my friends are releasing. And then at 5, had a quick call, little secret call. And then at 5:30, it was time for me to get together with Alyssa and Sky, who I'm collaborating on a huge project with. And honestly, it comes out this week for the waitlist people. You guys are going to freak out. By 6:50, guys, my brain is mush. It is literally mush melted into the ground. So most of my tasks are getting moved at this point. Whenever I have just no steam left, I'm like, okay, what can we move to other days? I was like, okay, I'll quickly post a TikTok since I have a video prepped, but holy crap, this was a loaded day.